Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Malik Buta and I'm here in Copenhagen, Denmark. In this video I will show you the most beautiful places to visit in Copenhagen, the famous spots, hidden gems, local food and easy travel tips for tourists. This is the first video of my Denmark tourist guide series. In the next videos I will take you to different cities across Denmark and guide you step by step, just like a local friend. So if you are planning to visit Denmark or you are already here, this series will help you a lot. Let's start our Copenhagen tour.
Welcome to Copenhagen, Denmark's vibrant capital. Known for its charming canals, rich royal history, safe streets, cycling culture, and modern Nordic design, this city is a dream for travelers. Let's dive into the top spots and tips to make your visit unforgettable. Start at Nyhavn Harbor. Admire colorful houses, boats, and cozy cafes, perfect for classic photos. Don't miss Tivoli Gardens, a historic amusement park with thrilling rides, dazzling lights, and magical evening shows. Visit the Little Mermaid, the iconic waterfront statue from Andersen's fairy tale. Head to Amalienborg Palace. Watch the daily changing of the guard at this royal residence. Explore Rosenborg Castle and King's Garden. See the crown jewels inside and relax in the free outdoor park. Climb Christianborg Palace Tower, tour Parliament and royal halls, then enjoy a panoramic city view. Stroll Strøget, Europe's longest pedestrian street, buzzing with shops, cafes, and street performers. Ascend the Round Tower. Walk the unique spiral ramp to stunning rooftop views of old Copenhagen. Wander Christiania, an alternative neighborhood full of street art and bohemian culture. Take a canal boat tour, the best way to see landmarks from the water. Getting around is easy. The metro is fast and frequent, buses connect neighborhoods, and S-trains handle suburbs. One ticket covers all zones. Copenhagen is bike-friendly. Use the dedicated lanes. Visit in spring or summer for long days and outdoor fun, or December for Christmas markets and Tivoli lights. Try smørrebrød open sandwiches, Danish pastries, street hot dogs, and fresh harbor seafood. Copenhagen is very safe, but watch your bags in crowds and follow bike lane rules. Etiquette tips: wait for green lights to cross, stand right on escalators, and tipping is optional. Just round up if you like. Copenhagen awaits. Happy travels!